India's manufacturing industry is rapidly adopting technologies like AI, connected systems, and smart factories. Companies are moving from separate digital projects to integrated and secure manufacturing environments. These environments improve efficiency, support growth, and deliver better business results. Bosch Conversations hosted a private roundtable in Pune on the 16th of April 2026 to discuss these changes. The session was titled Engineering Leadership's Blueprint: Navigating AI, Connectivity and Sustainability for Tomorrow's Manufacturing. Leaders from manufacturing, engineering, automotive and technology sectors attended and shared ideas. They discussed how Indian companies can move from isolated digital initiatives to connected, secure and future-ready factories. The discussion focused on 5 key areas shaping the future of manufacturing. These include connected product lifecycle systems and strong cybersecurity across IT and OT. They also highlighted smarter, more autonomous operations and sustainability aligned with new policies. The real challenges of using AI in manufacturing were a major part of the conversation. Product lifecycle engineering was central, especially connecting scattered data into a single system for better decisions. Many Indian companies still have engineering, production, and service teams working separately. This separation creates lots of data, but no common system linking it across the full product lifecycle. As factories become more connected, cybersecurity has become one of the biggest manufacturing challenges. With engineering systems, shop floor equipment, cloud platforms, and supply chains linked, cyber attack risk has increased. Cybersecurity is no longer just an IT issue, but a major business concern. AI in manufacturing promises much, but factory floor progress is often slow and step-by-step. Participants said successful AI use starts with a clear operational problem, not with technology first. Then the right digital solution is chosen to solve that problem. Finally, the session reinforced that India's manufacturing sector understands the directions of travel. The future of intelligent manufacturing will rely less on buying new technologies and more on making existing systems deliver measurable impact.